Over 60? Eat this before bed to restore your vision. While you sleep, the shocking truth about nighttime vision. Loss over 60? Do you ever wake up and feel like your vision is getting a little blurrier each day? Maybe it's harder to read the morning newspaper, or you squint to see your phone clearly. If that sounds familiar, it's not just age. There's something happening inside your eyes every night that most people don't know about. Stick with me, because in this video, I'll reveal exactly what you should eat, why it works scientifically, and how fast it can start improving your vision. But before we go deeper, if you care about your health, your eyes, and aging gracefully, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and stay till the end, because the last tip will completely change how you think about eye health forever. Now, let's talk about what's really destroying your eyesight after 60. The hidden nighttime vision killer. Every night when you sleep, your eyes depend on blood flow and oxygen to heal tiny damaged cells in your retina. But as we age, blood circulation to the eyes slows down. Combine that with poor nutrition, late-night screen time, and dehydration, and suddenly, your eyes can't repair fast enough. That's why your eyesight fades faster after 60, not because of aging, but because your eyes are starved of nutrients at night. Doctors call it oxidative stress, when free radicals attack your eye tissue. It's the main reason for blurry vision, dry eyes, cataracts, and even macular degeneration. But here is the good news. Science shows that eating specific vitamins and minerals before bed can actually help your eyes fight this damage while you sleep. The nighttime repair secret. Recent research from the National Eye Institute found that two key nutrients, vitamin A and vitamin E, help your eyes rebuild photoreceptor cells while you rest. These nutrients protect the retina from oxidative stress and improve tear production, so your eyes feel refreshed, not dry in the morning. Even better? When you eat foods rich in these vitamins before bed, your body can use them immediately during the deep sleep repair cycle. That's when the magic happens. Your eyes detoxify, oxygen flow increases, and tiny capillaries in your retina strengthen overnight. So, what should you eat? In the next part, we'll reveal exactly which foods contain these powerful nutrients and how to eat them correctly for maximum results. But here's a small teaser. One of them is a simple orange food you probably already have in your kitchen, and the other is a golden oil that's proven to protect your vision as you age. So don't go anywhere, because this bedtime combo could be the easiest, most natural way to support your vision after 60. The two nighttime vitamins that rebuild vision. Naturally. If you watched part 1, you now understand that your eyes don't just rest at night, they repair themselves. And the secret to helping them repair faster is giving them the right nutrients before bed. So now, let's reveal those two powerful vitamins that science says can restore, strengthen, and refresh your vision overnight. Vitamin number 1, the vision saver. Vitamin A. Let's start with the first one, the vision vitamin itself. Vitamin A. Most people know vitamin A is good for eyesight, but what they don't know is why it's critical at night. Here is the truth. Vitamin A is a key part of rhodopsin, a light-sensitive protein in your retina that helps your eyes see in low light. So when you're low in vitamin A, your rhodopsin levels drop, and your eyes can't adjust to darkness properly. That's why so many seniors say, "I can't see well when the lights are dim," or "driving at night is getting harder." That's not just aging, that's a vitamin A deficiency. But here's the best part. When you eat vitamin A-rich foods before bed, your liver releases this vitamin into your bloodstream overnight, exactly when your eyes are repairing themselves. So, what foods should you eat? Carrots. Yes, the classic choice, loaded with beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A. Sweet potatoes, one of the best natural nighttime sources. Mangoes. A small portion before bed gives a light, healthy dose. Egg yolks, full of ready-to-use vitamin A, retinol form. Your body absorbs vitamin A better with a little healthy fat. So try combining your bedtime snack, like a few carrot sticks with a spoon of olive oil or a small boiled egg with avocado. This simple combo helps your eyes soak up the vitamin A you need for retinal repair while you sleep. Vitamin number 2. The retinal protector, vitamin E. Now, let's talk about the second secret nutrient, the retina shield, vitamin E. If vitamin A helps you see better, vitamin E helps you keep that clear vision longer. How? Because vitamin E is one of the strongest antioxidants your eyes can get. It fights oxidative stress, the damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that attack your eye cells every single day. After 60, your eyes lose their natural antioxidant defense. And without protection, those free radicals can harm your retina, cloud your lens, and accelerate macular degeneration. But when you take vitamin E before bed, it acts like a nighttime shield, protecting your eye tissue from oxidative damage while you sleep. So, what foods are rich in vitamin E? Almonds, a handful, soaked if you prefer, before bed is excellent. Sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon gives you half your daily vitamin E needs. Avocado, great healthy fat and vitamin combo. Olive oil, drizzle a teaspoon over your evening salad or snack. When you pair vitamin A plus vitamin E before bed, they work together. Vitamin A rebuilds your vision proteins. Vitamin E protects your retinal cells from damage. This combination is like giving your eyes a repair crew and a security guard, both working overnight while you sleep peacefully. The timing secret. Why night matters. Why take these vitamins before bed? Why not in the morning? Great question. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormones that help repair tissues, including your eyes. That's when nutrients are sent to areas that need healing. So when you eat these vitamin-rich foods 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime, your bloodstream is loaded with the exact fuel your eyes need for repair. Think of it like this. When your body starts its nighttime maintenance mode, vitamin A and E are already there, waiting to get to work. That's why so many people notice they wake up with less eye strain, less dryness, and sharper vision just after a few weeks of following this habit. What you must avoid before bed. But before you start tonight, here's one important warning. There's one bedtime habit that destroys everything you just learned, and that is late-night screen use. Phones, TVs, and tablets emit blue light, and this light confuses your brain into thinking it is still daytime. Not only does that delay your sleep cycle, it also weakens your melatonin, the sleep hormone that helps your eyes detoxify and repair. So if you truly want to fix your vision, make it a rule. Turn off screens at least 45 minutes before bed. That one small change, combined with your 2 bedtime vitamins, can completely transform your nighttime eye recovery. Eat vitamin A-rich foods, carrots, sweet potatoes, eggs. Add vitamin E-rich foods, almonds, sunflower seeds, olive oil. Avoid screens before bed. Get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Do this consistently for just 2 to 3 weeks, and you will notice a difference, not only in your vision, but in how fresh and alert your eyes feel each morning. The bedtime drink and eye relaxation secrets that restore vision overnight. Even if you eat the perfect foods, your eyes still need good blood flow and oxygen to deliver those nutrients where they needed most, your retina and optic nerve. Without that circulation boost, those vitamins can't do their job. So in this part, I'll show you a simple bedtime drink, a 2-minute relaxation trick, and a breathing method that can completely change how your eyes heal overnight. Step 1. The bedtime drink that improves eye blood flow. Let's start with one of the most powerful natural bedtime habits you can develop, a warm herbal drink before bed. Now we're not talking about coffee or tea. Caffeine actually restricts blood vessels, which is the last thing you want before sleep. Instead, the best option is chamomile tea or turmeric milk, both scientifically proven to help your body relax and improve circulation to the brain and eyes. Let's break down why chamomile tea. Chamomile contains antioxidants like apigenin that help relax your nerves, lower inflammation, and improve capillary function. When your blood vessels relax, oxygen and nutrients reach your eyes more effectively. Drink 1 small cup of chamomile tea about 30 minutes before bed, and you'll feel your eyes instantly less tense. Turmeric milk. Now, if you want something even more powerful, mix half a teaspoon of turmeric in warm milk with a pinch of black pepper. Why black pepper? Because it increases turmeric absorption by over 2,000%. Turmeric reduces inflammation, clears oxidative stress, and supports microcirculation. the flow of blood in tiny vessels behind your eyes. That means more nutrients reach your retina while you sleep. So imagine this. You enjoy your warm golden milk, your body relaxes, your blood flow improves, and while you rest, your eyes finally get the nutrients they've been craving for years. Step 2. The 2-minute eye relaxation trick. Before you go to bed, try this. It takes just 2 minutes and can dramatically reduce eye strain. It's called palming. Here's how it works. Sit comfortably in bed, take a deep breath. Rub your palms together quickly for 10-15 seconds until they feel warm. Gently close your eyes and cup your palms over them, without pressing. The warmth and darkness relax your optic nerve and relieve tension that builds up from long hours of screen use or reading. Do this for 2 minutes, and you'll feel a deep calm around your eyes. What's happening is powerful. The darkness triggers your brain to release melatonin, your natural sleep and repair hormone. And that's the exact hormone that supports eye recovery overnight. So this simple trick, done before bed, is like telling your eyes, relax, it's time to heal. Step 3. Oxygen boost. The 4-7-8 breathing technique. Here's something most seniors don't realize. Poor oxygen flow is one of the biggest reasons for slow eye recovery. Your eyes depend on constant oxygen to stay healthy. But when you breathe shallowly, especially during stress or anxiety, your oxygen levels drop, starving your eyes and brain. The solution? The 4-7-8 breathing technique. Here's how you do it. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this 4 times before sleep. This simple breathing rhythm calms your nervous system, lowers heart rate, and increases oxygen in your bloodstream, which feeds your eyes overnight. When combined with your bedtime drink and palming routine, this becomes a powerful nighttime formula for clearer, sharper vision. The nighttime healing formula, recap. Before bed, drink a warm cup of chamomile tea or turmeric milk, perform the 2-minute eye palming trick, practice 4-7-8, breathing for oxygen flow. Avoid all screens 45 minutes before sleep. This 10-minute routine can completely transform your eye health over time. In fact, studies show people who improved sleep quality and blood circulation reported better visual clarity, less dryness, and reduced light sensitivity in just 3 weeks. And the best part? You don't need pills, glasses, or surgeries, just consistency. Real talk. Why most people fail, you might be wondering. If it's this simple, why doesn't everyone do it? Because most people are looking for instant results. They pop a supplement, skip the routine, and then say, it doesn't work. But your eyes didn't get weaker overnight, and they won't rebuild overnight either. However, when you combine the right nutrients, proper sleep, and relaxation, you're giving your body exactly what it needs to heal. Remember, your eyes are living organs. They respond to care, rhythm, and nourishment, so be patient and give them time to thank you back with clearer, stronger sight. Wake up with sharper eyes. Morning habits for lifelong vision. Morning arrives, sunlight peeks through the curtains, and this is when your repair work shows results. If you've been following the bedtime routine, avoiding blue light, hydrating, and eating those 2 vitamins, you might notice colors seem brighter, letters clearer, and that early morning blur fades faster. To keep that progress, 1. Get 10 minutes of morning sunlight. It helps your body regulate melatonin and boosts serotonin, which improves sleep quality later, continuing the repair cycle. 2. Massage your temples and eye area gently. Use your fingertips and circular motions to stimulate blood flow. This reduces puffiness and helps nutrients reach the optic nerves. 3. Keep your breakfast eye-friendly. Include berries, eggs, and spinach, rich in lutein, zeaxanthin, and zinc, to protect your macula. 4. Stay hydrated. Drink water regularly through the day. It's simple, but vital for lens clarity. 5. Limit sugar and processed oils. They inflame tiny blood vessels that feed your eyes, undoing your bedtime repair. Now here's your reminder. Your eyes can heal. They've been serving you for over 60 years. Every sunrise, every smile, every face you love. Give them what they need at night, and they'll give back in the morning. So tonight, skip the magnesium. Eat your vitamin A and E foods, relax, and let your body's natural repair team do its job while you sleep. If this helped you, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this video with a friend over 60 who's struggling with their eyesight. Let's help every senior see clearly again, one good night's sleep at a time.